Come test drive the 2024 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.